In this video, we bring to you a mid-century modern container home in Texas, United States. Welcome back. This shipping container home is ideal for both on and off-grid living, built by Backcountry Containers based in Houston, Texas. The container house is built using 3 40-foot shipping containers. 2 containers are placed side by side, and the third container separated by a drive-through parking. The home is not complete without thoughtful and useful outside living. The house is designed with a custom 640 square foot rooftop deck, a screened-in porch at the entrance, and a covered drive-through parking space. A wood-framed glass door opens into a screened-in porch with a cozy set of rocking chairs. From the entrance porch, a full-height garage door folds open into a bright, open-plan living space. The container interior side walls were cut out to create a large, open-plan living space, killing any notion of an interior space inside shipping containers. The lounge area is fitted with a large comfortable couch, a custom coffee table, 2 easy chairs oriented towards the wood burning stove, and an area rug to define the living space. Next to the lounge is a cozy home office provided with adequate daylighting, creating a nice home office experience. From the lounge area, there is a fully equipped kitchen and maximum storage. Past the kitchen area is a deluxe bathroom that features a shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity area, and a bathroom mirror to amplify the bathroom space. On the opposite side of the 2 shipping containers is the third container, which accommodates the bedroom. The bedroom is a cozy, generously proportioned space with a queen-size double bed and good-sized windows for daylighting and cross ventilation. From the master bedroom is a closet stacked with a washer and dryer and a bathroom. Hardwood floors are used throughout the home to create a warm, welcoming feel. The white painted interior walls create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. The grooves of the rose shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior to bring out the industrial charm of the design. A wooden staircase leads to the top of the building onto the rooftop deck, which is a perfect setting for a line of rocking chairs and evening dinners with friends and family. Which part of this amazing shipping container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.